Exploring the phrase, Dark Omen. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the English phrase, Dark Omen. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in sentences. Before understanding the entire phrase, let's break it down word by word. Dark. The word dark often refers to the absence of light. However, in a metaphorical sense, it can also represent something negative, evil, or foreboding. Omen. An omen is an event or phenomenon believed to predict a future outcome, either good or bad. Putting them together, dark omen would mean a sign or prediction of something negative or bad happening in the future. The concept of omens has been present in many cultures and civilizations throughout history. Predicting the future based on certain signs or events is not new. But the term, dark omen, is predominantly used in the English language to express a foreboding feeling. Example usage. 1. The black cat crossing our path is considered a dark omen in many cultures. 2. The unexpected thunderstorm was seen as a dark omen for the event. Knowing synonyms, words with similar meanings, can enrich our vocabulary. Some synonyms for dark omen include bad sign, ill omen, unlucky signal. However, it's always essential to understand the context in which you're using these phrases, as they might not always be perfect replacements for one another. The phrase, dark omen, captures the essence of an eerie prediction or a feeling that something bad is about to happen. It's a beautiful example of how English combines individual words to create powerful expressions. We hope this explanation sheds light on its meaning and usage. Keep exploring and enriching your language skills.